On day 5 and day 6, our students explored the critical area of airport security, an essential part of the aviation industry. On day 5, they were introduced to the various security measures that safeguard passengers, staff, aircraft, and airport property. Students learned about the importance of advanced screening techniques, surveillance systems, access control methods, which all work together to ensure safety. They also gained an understanding of how airport security personnel manage the flow of passengers and detect potential threats, maintaining a high level of vigilance throughout the airport. On day 6, students took part in security practical training, where they had the opportunity to apply what they had learned. They engaged in real-life security scenarios, practicing screening procedures, identifying potential risks, and responding to mock threats. This hands-on experience allowed them to understand how quickly and efficiently security teams must act in a real-world environment. These 2 days highlighted the importance of airport security and gave our students valuable experience in maintaining a safe and secure aviation environment.